A very good morning to students of standard 6th. Today we are starting our new academic year 2021-22, okay, 21st and 22nd, and we have spent our time in this pandemic at our homes only, okay. We have not gone through many studies also, we have not attended the school also. Now you are just coming from 5th standard to 6th standard, okay students. So you may deal with the new subjects also. Science subject is science only, but in the science you will see many new things to study, okay. I will take your science here, and just coming out of this vacation, we will start our this new year with a good lessons, and we will just go through all the lessons, all the chapters, and we will prepare for our exams, and we will study, we will get information from this science and the chapters that is included in it, okay students. So in our science there are many chapters, and there are 13 to 14 chapters, 15 to 16 chapters, and first chapter in this science of 6th standard is food, okay. Food, and where does it come from, okay. Where does the food come from? पहले तो यहाँ पे फूड मीन्स खाना जो हम खाते हैं उसके बारे में यहाँ पे कहा गया है। एंड दूसरा क्या है क्वेश्चन हमारे सामने, हमारे चैप्टर का नेम क्या है कि वेयर डज इट कम फ्रॉम, वो कहाँ से आता है, ओके. देन वी कैन इमेजिन टूवर्ड्स इट बाय जस्ट सीइंग सराउंडिंग अस, ओके. देन यू कैन इमेजिन वेयर डज दिस ग्रेन, पल्सेस, सीरियल्स, ओके, they are coming from. How much rich we are getting from the fields, okay, the fields that farmer is just growing all these things, okay. How much production is there in Gujarat, all over India, all over world also, okay. How much food or some grains or cereals and pulses we are exporting to the other country. हम कुछ सीरियल्स और स्पाइस है तो वो सब कुछ हम दूसरे देश को भी देते हैं. तो हम क्या सोच सकते हैं उसके बारे में कि हमारा देश जो है वो ज़्यादातर स्पाइसेस उगाते हैं, कल्टीवेट करते हैं. दे आर ग्रोइंग मोर स्पाइसेस, ओके, एंड वी आर जस्ट प्रोवाइडिंग टू द अदर कंट्रीज. एंड वेयर डज दिस ऑल थिंग्स कम फ्रॉम? वी कैन से दैट all the things that we are eating in our day-to-day life comes from a field, okay. There are different types of fields to grow the different types of grains, that also we know. If you are drinking a tea, आप जो चाय पीते हैं तो चाय की जो फील्ड होती है, जो जहाँ पे वो ग्रो होती है, तो उसकी फील्ड इट इज़ नॉट बैलेंस फील्ड, ओके. वो कहाँ पे होते, माउंटेन्स पे उगाई जाती है उसको, क्योंकि उसको ज़्यादातर पानी नहीं चाहिए, इसलिए उसको पानी चाहिए, पर वो पानी उस फील्ड में भरा नहीं सकता, ओके. सो दैट वाटर शुड नॉट बी क्लॉग्ड इन द फील्ड, इट शुड बी मूव्ड अवे, ओके. दैट मच वाटर इज नीडेड टू द टी. सो वी कैन जस्ट डिफ्रेंशिएट ऑल दिस थिंग्स, ग्रेन्स एंड पल्सेस and wheat and all these things, and vegetables also by the land also, okay. कहाँ पे कौन सी चीज़ उगाई जाती है, फिर उसको कल्टीवेट किस तरह कर सकते हैं हम, फिर उसको ग्रो करने के लिए क्या क्या चीज़ और ज़रूरतें है, वो कौन सी चीज़ है जो ज़रूरत हमें पड़ती है उगाने के लिए, वो सब कुछ हम डिफ्रेंशिएट कर सकते हैं. तो इसी तरह आज हम एक चैप्टर के बारे में ज़्यादातर हम पढ़ेंगे कि एक ग्रेन्स होता है, एक हमने कोई भी पेड़ ले लिया, वो पेड़, उसका पेड़ के पार्ट्स कितने हैं. देन एनिमल्स, इफ़ यू टेक द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ एनिमल्स, ओके. तो एनिमल कौन सी चीज़ हमें देते हैं, कौन सी चीज़ नहीं देते. We are getting the milk from the animals. Okay, then some peoples are also eating eggs and meat also, that also we get from the animals. Okay, so all these animals and that hen birds. Okay, so all these things are included in our chapter, that is food and where does it come from. Okay, in the introduction only they have just said that just discuss with your friends, but today you are in a home, means you are staying at your home, you are not coming in a class, so you can discuss with your parents also. Okay, which food you are eating, which food do you like more. Okay, some of the students like pizza. Okay, पिज़्ज़ा है तो वो आपको ज़्यादातर पसंद होते हैं बच्चों को, फास्ट फूड हम जो उसे कहते हैं. देन सम पीपल्स योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स में बी लाइकिंग chapatis and rotis and all these things, rotless and vegetables, all these things, buttermilk, curd. Okay, so you can just discuss with your parents also कि पापा आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है खाने में, क्या नहीं अच्छा लगता है. एंड आफ्टर दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन डिस्कस वेयर डज ऑल दिस थिंग्स ग्रो, वेयर डज इट कम फ्रॉम. ओके, पहले तो फार्मर क्या करते हैं, तो फार्मर उगाते हैं, फिर उसको कल्टीवेट करते हैं, इस तरह उसकी प्रोसेस होते हैं. फिर बाद में क्या होता है, तो वो आपको अपने पेरेंट्स को पूछना है. आपकी छोटी बहन है, बड़ी बहन है, तो उसको भी समझाना है, पूछना है, ये सब कुछ आपको क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स, and you will get the knowledge from your parents. Okay, all these things that we are studying in this chapter about the food and where does it come from, that all the answers you will get from your parents also. If you will discuss, healthy discussion should be there in the home. कि आप घर पे रहते हो तो आप मम्मी या पापा को आप पूछ सकते हैं. Okay, and from that you will get the knowledge of where does this food come from and what is the chain that is seen from the field to us. Okay, which are the processes that includes in this chain, and we are getting a pure wheat, grains, then pulses, cereals, spices and all these things at our homes. We are also taking some of these things from the market also. Okay, so how does that grains, pulses and cereals and all these things, vegetables, move towards the market? There is also a process. Okay, so all these things if you will discuss with your parents, then they will also say. Okay, they will also give you the knowledge of this. Okay, and we will also see here how does it grow and how does it is maintained also, and what are the parts of the plants also, that also we will discuss here. Okay, first of all what you have to do, that is that you have to just discuss with your parents about the food. After that you have to just discuss about where does it come from and all these things. Okay students, so this is the activity for you that you have to do at your home, and you will receive a good answers and the knowledge also. Okay, now we will start our chapter, that is food and where does it come from. Okay, in that our first point is that food variety. Now when you are going to garden, or when you are going to a picnic, or when you are coming to a school, at that time you bring your lunch box with you, ब्रेकफास्ट बॉक्स यू आर ब्रिंगिंग विथ यू, यस और नो. आप अपने साथ में वो डब्बे लेके आते हैं ना जो नाश्ते के लिए, तो वो सब आप एक ब्रेक में क्या करते हैं, तो एक इकट्ठे होते हैं और फिर बाद में क्या करते हैं, आप खाते हो. ओके, तो आपको क्या करना है कि आपको सब फ्रेंड्स है आपके, अभी तो आप यहाँ पे नहीं आ सकते, पर आप इमेजिन कर सकते हैं, आप प्रीवियस ईयर में यहाँ पे आए थे, तो आपको इमेजिन करना है कि मेरे फ्रेंड्स क्या क्या लेके आते थे. ओके, इन अ ब्रेकफास्ट व्हाट दे वेर ब्रिंगिंग इन अ लंच बॉक्स. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू जस्ट नेम द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फूड दैट दे वेर ब्रिंगिंग इन व्हेन यू आर ईटिंग दैट फूड. ओके, सो यू कैन राइट एंड यू कैन डिस्कस विथ योर फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो. एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो यू व्हेन यू आर सिटिंग इन अ ब्रेक, एट दैट टाइम जब आप ब्रेक में बैठते हो नाश्ता करने के लिए, तो तब आप सब क्या करते थे, तो आप सब इकट्ठे होके राउंड सर्कल में बैठ के आप क्या करते थे, डिस्कस करते थे. आप क्या लाए हो, आप क्या लाए हो, मैं तो आज ये लाया हूँ, मैं आज कर्ड लाया हूँ, रोटी चपाती लाया हूँ, मैं आज चिवड़ा और वो सब कुछ मैं लेके आया हूँ. ओके, आप सब ये डिस्कस करते थे ना. हाँ, तो आप ये सब डिस्कस करके आप फिर बाद में पूछते थे ये किसने बनाया है, क्या बनाया है, आपके मम्मी ने बनाया है कि नहीं, ये सिस्टर ने बनाया है कि नहीं, वो सब आप डिस्कस करते थे। ओके, इसी तरह डिस्कस करके आप एक टेबल बना सकते हैं। कौन सा टेबल? यहाँ पे देखो, ये टेबल है हमारा। ओके, नंबर नेम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, यू कैन राइट द योर फ्रेंड्स नेम हियर, यू कैन मेक अ लिस्ट, बिग लिस्ट of your friends. Okay, I am giving one example. If I am writing here Mohan, okay, I have written here Mohan, then he is my friend, Mohan is my friend, and we are taking a breakfast in a break. Okay, from my lunch box and from his lunch box also I am just testing the things. If it is good, then okay, if I like it, then I am also testing from his lunch box also. Okay, and you have to write the food item that is eaten in all the day by him. When you are just discussing with your friends, then you can also elaborate the things that friend, you are eating just now this, then what you will eat at afternoon, okay, what you will eat at evening, what you will eat at night also. Okay, some people are eating at night also, and late night 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, if they are just feeling hungry, then they are just doing the snacks at night also. Okay, so all these things you have to discuss with your friends, and you have to write the names of the food that is eaten in a day. Okay, if I am taking an example of Mohan, then Mohan is eating in a breakfast, okay, pawa, okay, then he is eating lunch. What he is doing in a lunch? He is eating the roti and rice. Okay, at night also he is eating the roti and vegetable, okay, and khichdi and all these things. Okay, so these are the food items that is eaten by my friend. When I was discussing with him, so he told me that I am eating all these things throughout the day, and some days I am also going out of the house also, or home I am going in a restaurants and all these things, hotels and all, to eat the pizza and all these things. Okay, so you can also, from the activity 1, you can also make a table in a science notebook. Okay, you have to make a table in a science notebook, and you have to just list 2 to 3 friends and what they are having a food throughout the day. So this is an activity that is shown in your textbook, that is 1.1. I think that you have understood about the table and what is given in the activity 1.1. Okay, now if I take an example of a rice, okay, if I take an example of a rice, then what happens in a rice? If you want to make a boiled rice, then what you will do for a boiling of a rice? You will need one thing, that is water. Second thing is rice. Okay, these two materials can prepare, or you will get what you will get. You will get a boiled rice from only these two things. So these two things are known as a ingredients. Okay, what does it what is it is known as a ingredients. Okay, ingredients क्या होता है? पहले तो वो हम समझ ले कि ingredients ये चीज़ होती है जब हम फूड प्रिपेयर करते हैं। अगर हम कोई भी वेजिटेबल प्रिपेयर करते हैं तो उसमें हम कुछ ना कुछ उसमें हम डालते हैं। आपने भी देखा होगा जब मम्मी आपको फ्राई करते हैं, राइस फ्राई करते हैं और वेजिटेबल बनाते हैं, तब क्या करते हैं वो, तो उसमें कुछ ना कुछ जीरा और मस्टर्ड एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स, क्यूमिन, मस्टर्ड एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स, दे आर, हल्दी है, तो वो सब कुछ उसमें डालते हैं। ओके, और ये सब चीज़ें हैं ना, तो उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? उसे हम कहेंगे इंग्रेडिएंट्स टू प्रिपेयर अ वेजिटेबल। ओके, नाउ I think that you have understood the meaning of ingredients. Ingredients means what? I have just explained now that ingredients means the things which are used to prepare a vegetable, the things which are used to prepare a roti. Okay, so that things are known as ingredients. Okay, so to boil a rice, to have a boiled rice, which ingredients are used? Which ingredients are used? We can say that ingredients like rice and water, these two things are needed to prepare a boiled rice. Okay, if you want to prepare a curry, Okay, then what things that you are need, what ingredients that it is need to prepare a curry, that is different vegetables, then salt, then spices. Okay, all these things are needed, all these ingredients are needed to prepare a curry. Okay, so I think that you have just understood about the ingredients. Okay, we'll talk more about the ingredients, then you can ask to your mama also in a home, because this chapter is related to the food. Then it is easy for you to just see the ingredients that are used at your homes also to prepare a vegetable, or to prepare a chapati, to prepare a laddu, all these things. Okay, to prepare a breakfast, which if you are preparing a potato pawa, then potatoes, that pawa, then which ingredients or which spices or grains और सब ये सब कुछ आप क्या उसमें डालते हैं, वो सब ingredients है। तो आप अपने मम्मा को पूछ सकते हैं, अपनी छोटी बहन और बड़ी बहन को पूछ सकते हैं कि इसमें आप क्या क्या डालते हो। बाद में क्या होता है कि ये सब ingredients होता है, तो ingredients से हमें मालूम पड़ता है कि ये चीज़ इसमें डाल के हमें एक अच्छा फूड मिलता है और वो हम खाते हैं। Okay, so this was the ingredients that are used to prepare the food. Also ingredients are also used to prepare the food. Now next things comes to the activity 2, that choose from table number 1. What you will choose from table number, if I have taken the example of Mohan, okay, then pawa, roti, rice and vegetables. Okay, from this you have to take out one of the things. Okay, one of the things, like if I will take an example of a roti. Okay, now you have to just see which ingredients are used to prepare a roti, or which ingredients are used to prepare a dal. Okay, which ingredients are useful to prepare a buttermilk also. Okay, then which ingredients are used to prepare a vegetable also. Okay, ingredients में कौन सी चीज़ उसमें हम डालें, जो दाल में या रोटी में हम डालें तो वो हमें रोटी मिलता है। ओके, तो इस तरह के एक्टिविटी 2 में आप भी एक टेबल बना के आप भी इस तरह के, अगर आपकी फेवरेट चीज़ जो होती है तो उसके बारे में आप रिसर्च करें, पढ़ें या मम्मी या पापा का हेल्प ले, और फिर बाद में आप उसमें लिख सकते हैं। अगर आप डोसा खाते हैं तो डोसा में क्या होता है कि डोसा में एक डोसा होता है, फिर आप मम्मी को पूछना कि इसमें क्या क्या हम डाल सकते हैं तो ये डोसा प्रिपेयर होके हमें मिलता है। ओके, इफ़ यू आर ईटिंग द मंचूरियन, देन ऑल्सो यू हैव टू सी विच इंग्रेडिएंट्स आर यूज, कौन सी चीज़ें इसमें डाला जाता है तो हमें ये सब कुछ मिलता है, हमें मंचूरियन मिलता है, तैयार होके हमें मंचूरियन मिलता है। ओके, सो दिस all the things that we are eating in our day to day life, and food is also necessary in our life also. Without food we cannot live, without air also we cannot live, and without water we cannot live. Okay, all these three things are the basic need of all the human beings. Now if we will discuss about more about this roti and dal. ओके, तो रोटी बनाने के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं, तो क्या रोटी बनाने के लिए हम पहले तो हम वीट लेते हैं, फिर बाद में क्या होता है कि वीट लेने के बाद हम उसका पानी डाल के उसके एक आटा बनाते हैं। ओके, एंड दैट वीट इज ऑल्सो ग्रोन इन द फील्ड्स। ओके, वीट फील्ड्स आर देयर, यू आर सीइंग आवर स्कूल इज सिचुएटेड अराउंड द फील्ड ओनली। ओके, surrounded by the fields, and we are seeing in winter season that wheat is grown in all the fields. Okay, so that wheat is taken by the harvester and then it is moved to the market. Okay, from the market it moved to our home or our house. Okay, like that. When you are preparing a roti, first of all what you are doing, you are taking the flour of a wheat. Okay, पहले wheat लेते हो, फिर बाद में क्या करते हो आप उसका जो पाउडर फॉर्म होता है ना, तो उसे हम इंग्लिश में क्या कहेंगे, उसके हम फ्लोर कहेंगे। ओके, दैट फ्लोर वी आर टेकिंग, देन यू आर एडिंग अ वाटर, सम वाटर टू इट, एंड यू आर मेकिंग अ आटा ऑफ दैट फ्लोर। ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू आर मेकिंग स्मॉल राउंड्स ऑफ दैट आटा, एंड आप पकाते हो उसे चूल्हे पे या गैस पे आप उसे पकाते हैं, और आपको बाद में क्या मिलता है, एक अच्छी रोटी आपको मिलती है। इस तरह इसके इंग्रेडिएंट्स क्या हुए, तो कि वीट हुआ, फिर बाद में आटा बना, फिर water, okay, water is also needed to make an atta, and the fire also, okay. So all these things are the ingredients of the roti. Okay, then next thing is that if we take an example of a dal, okay, दाल में क्या है, जब हम दाल बनाते हैं तो उसमें क्या क्या कौन सी चीज़ें हम पुट करते हैं, पल्सेस, वाटर, देन ऑयल, घी एंड एक्सेट्रा. ओके, सो दिस आर ऑल्सो द इंग्रेडिएंट्स टू प्रिपेयर अ दाल. Okay students, I think that you are understanding, okay, what I am just teaching here, or what I want to say about the food that you are preparing at your homes only, okay, and you are getting the knowledge about this, and now you will also see very carefully at your homes, and you will ask to your parents also, okay, about the food. Now food materials and sources. Now what do you mean by a food material and sources? That now we will just discuss about the food sources. Where do we get the food sources from? Okay students, where do we get this food? We will not get the direct food, okay, we are not getting the direct food. If you are moving to a restaurant or a hotel, at that time you are not getting that food directly, but there is a process. First of all, that starting of the lecture I have just said, there is a chain, there is a process, that all the grains that we are using in our day to day life to preparing many items of the food, there is a process that we are getting that pure form of the wheat and rice and all these things, okay. Then what is that process? If I say that process means, it is first of all it is just grown in the fields, okay, then it is cultivated by the farmers and the harvester also. Now the new technology is increased in our day to day life, so the workload to the farmers are also less, okay, and they are using all the machineries to cultivate the grains and all these things, okay, and that grains is just sold in the market. The farmers are selling in the big markets, okay, and that markets are preparing, they are just taking out the waste materials from the grains and pulses and all these things, and they are packing, okay, there is done the packing of that grains and pulses and all these things, and then it is sent to the shops, okay, and from the shops, and we are just buying all these things, then we are preparing the food and vegetables, okay. When you just move to when you are moving in a Junagadh, all around the Junagadh, then at that time you are seeing the vegetables laris are there, okay, vegetables laris. Where does it come from? It comes from the farmer's land, okay, they are growing, they are doing the hard work to grow that vegetables, and after that they are selling to the shopkeepers who are just selling the vegetables, and from them we are buying it, okay. So these are the sources of the food materials, okay, that where do we get all this food from? And if we know that these food are grown in the fields, different fields, okay, so that different fields are known as the sources of the food, okay. So the main source of the food that we are getting, it is a land, okay, we can say land only, because all these things are grown on the land, okay. See, you are seeing the coconut, now the season is of a mango, okay, then these mangoes are also grown on the land only, field only, okay. So mango, coconut, all the flowers, all the food, then sorry, not all the food, means all the grains and pulses and cotton and all these things, rich groundnut, all these things are grown on the land only. Now see the fertility of a land, that it gives us many things, okay. If we put one piece of a grain in a land, they are giving a bundle of grains, okay, a bunch of grains, okay. If we grow a wheat, then at that time growing that wheat, we are just putting some wheat in the field only, okay, and we are getting more amount of wheat. See the fertility of the land also, कि जो हमारी जो ज़मीन होती है उसमें ताकत कितनी होती है कि वो हमें ज़्यादा ही देता है, okay. So we should always take care of our land and our surrounding also, because on that only we are dependent, okay. So in activity 3, after 1.2 they have given the activity 3, that paddy field and wheat field, you should see the fields. Some of the students may be having their field on field at the villages also, okay. So you can just go there and visit at what things are grown in your field, you can list that things. What eatable things are grown in your field, that also you can list it. Okay, you can list in a, you can make a tabular form, a table in a science notebook, and you can just list all the things, that which things are grown in my field. Okay, and after that just get a knowledge about that things with the help of your parents. Okay, and ask them the questions that it is arising in your mind. Okay, now if we talk about a rice or a paddy field, then that paddy field, it is grown in grown on a land only, but its boundary is covered. Okay, its boundary is कवर्ड. जब हम राइस के जो फील्ड हम देखते हैं ना, तो उसमें क्या होता है, तो कि एक फील्ड का जो है, ये फील्ड है हमारी, और उसकी जो बाउंड्री होती है ना, तो वो एक तरह से कवर होती है, और बीच में थोड़ा सा खड्डा जैसा होता है. तो उसमें क्या करेंगे, तो हम पानी पहले भर देंगे. ओके, विल फिल दिस फील्ड विद द वाटर, एंड आफ्टर दैट विल जस्ट सो द rice in this. Okay, and after some days and after some months you will get a rice. You can say it is a paddy field. Okay, then wheat also, how we are growing the wheat. Okay, how we are growing the pulses, grains, mustard, and all these things. And if you will see that mustard, it is given in your textbook that mustard is giving two things. See, some of the plants give us two more things to us. Okay, that we will discuss in our next lecture. We will conclude this lecture here, and we will see what the things are grown in the field also, and how they are grown. Okay, students, till now you have to just do 1.1 and 1.2 of your first chapter, that is food and where does it come from. Okay, students, till that you stay at your homes, be safety, have a safety, and eat healthy food. Thank you, students, and have a good day.